Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and first of all I apologize for the double intro here, but I've had a lot of people asking me questions about my ROLLADEN rolling shutter that I used for the garage door, and basically all the history behind that so that I could get my car stacker in and my WILDFIRE lift installed. So I just figured, you know, I would dig through my old footage and put an old video together. It's not that great because, you know, I was filming it with an old Sony camera and I just really wasn't vlogging it at the time. But, you know, again, a lot of people have asked what the install was like, you know, what kind of garage door I had before, why I went this route, you know, again, just to eliminate all the wasted space up top and be able to get the car stacker in there so it would fit with the ceiling clearance. And that's pretty much it. So, you know, show that to you a little bit. You know, got a keypad and an internal button and some other stuff. And then you also have the little MyLink app and then the garage door. So, you know, if you get over here, this is pretty much it. So, and again, this is a ROLLADEN rolling shutter, like you would get, you know, security shutters for your windows. And they're all pretty much made by Alumilux in Europe and then shipped over even locally. The people at ROLLADEN, you know, and I remember back like in the 70s and 80s here in Vegas when they were ROLLADEN, because nobody knew what a ROLLADEN was. But you know, little history on those. Back in World War II, basically it was required in Germany, every flat, every residential, and I think commercial building needed ROLLADENs on their windows and doors, and you know, as kind of bomb shelter type stuff. Not that they really provide that much, but still it's good. I mean, the temperature of the garage has gone down considerably just because of the slats and the insulation that's on the inside. And plus, at the end of the other video, you'll see it's really cool when it opens and closes, especially at night. You know, if at night you got a light on the inside, the way that cracks open and allows ventilation, that's pretty cool. And then also, of course, you know, same if you're inside the garage looking out at the sunlight. But anyway, yeah, I'll kind of leave it at that. The other video kind of pretty much explains everything, but for the most part, you know, that's kind of what I needed. I needed to clear out that space, get that canister up there. Oh yeah, plus check out the Lamborghini logo. That's pretty cool. And you know, so you know, it's good for me and does what I need it to do. So anyway, enjoy the video. So what is it you always say? You can tell the heat of the day by the length of a cat.
And she's deliberately in it.
Not me. I haven't wanted to do anything. Yeah, so the heat of the day can be measured by the length of the cat. That's exactly right. So, and let me tell you, it is hot and humid and muggy, and I have been unmotivated all afternoon. We got up early this morning. We went to Espressos and Exotics, took the Lambo out. Houston was there in the Bugatti. The Wyra was out there. Huracan on airbags, slammed to the ground. And stupid me, the camera was in the vet from when we went out last time to the other car show. So I didn't get any of that footage. And then I was going to start working on the garage because early tomorrow morning, ROLLADEN is coming out. We're going to pull that garage door, and finally, I'm going to get my roll-up unit inside, up into a canister, so I get rid of all that extra crap on the ceiling, garage door opener, the rails, the spring, everything. So, and that's kind of leading to phase 3, which is working on the car stacker. So hopefully now, when that happens, I'll be able to get this car at 53 inches, I believe, and the Lambo both on top of each other. But I really need to get the Lambo moved, the Nash moved, the bike moved, I got to get all of this stuff unbolted, get all the panels taken out. I got to get these rails removed. I got to get the dummy moved. Got the bikes moved. Basically, like the first 4 or 5 feet, I've got to get completely cleared out. And like I said, I mean, it's like 85% humidity right now and 94 degrees. So I just do not feel like doing anything until the rest of the sun goes down, or I'll just wake up, you know, like at 3 in the morning and start then. I mean, it should be pretty quick, although I do gotta get that cabinet removed because I gotta tie into the power. I don't know if I want to run an outlet off to the side or not, but definitely want to get the rest of all this stuff removed and ready. So no more of that wasted space, no more of this stupid freaking bracing. That'll all be nicely tucked right up there. So we'll see how it goes. But for now, camera's charged up. I'm going to try to film most of that and definitely the finished product. So stay tuned. Well, as much as I didn't want to, I was up at 4:30 this morning and about 4 hours to get the garage door removed. I've got the garage door opener. Got a whole line of freaking cars against the wall, and cleaned up pretty much everything in here. So I'm just waiting for ROLLADEN to get here. So right now, brackets are gone. The stupid little brackets for the garage door are gone. Brackets on the side. And I haven't seen the garage look like this since, I don't know, 2000, I guess. So again, just waiting for them to get here. The canister again is going to be right up there on the top. Tracks down the side. Roll up nice. Give me plenty of headroom. Hopefully the plan is get the Z with the Lambo parked underneath. The Z is 54 inches. Lambo is like 42. So I've got 106, I believe. So now it's just a debate between Backyard Buddy and WILDFIRE lifts. Backyard's a little smaller. The lockouts are maybe not exactly where I want it to be, but definitely the smaller footprint is better. Might even be able to get two side by side later if I get rid of the cabinets. And WILDFIRE, definitely better price. A little bit longer though. I think it's like 12 or 14 inches. So I'm a little concerned about the approach ramps. So if that WILDFIRE lift comes almost all the way out, and then you've got like 36 or 42 inch ramps with the pitch of the driveway, I'm a little concerned about how that's going to be getting the Z like up top. So if I sell the Z, then probably not that big of a deal, because then I have absolutely no problem fitting the Corvette and the Lambo stacked on top of one another. And then I might get one of those little utility stackers, and that might work for the quads and the Nash, but definitely cannot fit the trailer. There's just no way. So anyway, just hanging out now, waiting for ROLLADEN to get here. My work's done. Well, other than this little trim piece, I didn't do anything with this because I want to make sure that they're going to do 3 inches in, and then I'll buy a new trim for that. So I'm just going to hang out and wait. can't even believe how hot it is right now. Sun's come out, freaking sky is just all cloudy, so I gotta get the cars back in, but Rolladin just left. And check this out. How cool is that?